because I was struggling and I was ready to give it up. And then came to the discovery day. It was quite emotional. I think it was because I felt like I was getting some help, but it focused my mind. And I thought, right, I'm going to go again. I'm going to really go for it. Set myself a target of £1 million. Anyway, I went and did that in the first quarter. That was my yearly target.
Remember my nickname.
We doubled our installs from 3 to 6 for the month. We've had 4 installs go in this week, and we've got another 2 for next week. So we're already on 6 for this month. Just learning from people here about what they do has been really helpful for us to figure out where we want to go.
We did 120 boilers. Compared to the last financial year, I did 12 boilers.
I was doing around 60 grandish, something like that. I've only been here 2 months and I've doubled that already. 2 weeks worth of work with 75 grand's worth in just 14 days. The advice that I've listened to off Joe and Paul, to be able to do it exactly how they've told me to do it, and it's worked.
Right now I'm in beast mode.